Tired of dealing with pimples and blackheads? They can be a nuisance, can't they? They pop up at the most inconvenient times, and they seem to stick around way longer than they're welcome. It's a common issue that many of us face, whether we're in the throes of adolescence or well into adulthood. Pimples and blackheads don't discriminate, and they can truly put a damper on our confidence. But the good news is, we don't have to let these pesky skin problems control our lives. While there are countless chemical treatments on the market promising quick fixes, they often come with a long list of side effects and can even exacerbate the problem in the long run. That's why we're focusing on natural remedies. They're gentle, they're safe, and they work in harmony with your skin's own healing processes. But don't you worry. Today, we are going to talk about how you can remove pimples and blackheads naturally at home. Before we dive into the solutions, it's important to understand what pimples and blackheads are. Pimples are a result of blocked pores. When your skin's natural oils mix with dead skin cells, they can clog your pores. These blocked pores can then become infected with bacteria, leading to inflammation, and voila, you get a pimple. On the other hand, blackheads are a mild type of acne that forms on the skin when a hair follicle's opening gets clogged with oil and dead skin cells. Unlike pimples, blackheads are open at the surface, and when this oil and skin cell mixture is exposed to the air, it oxidizes and turns black. Improper skincare can exacerbate these issues. Not cleaning your face regularly, using harsh products, or not moisturizing can disrupt your skin's natural balance, leading to more blocked pores. Now that you know what causes them, let's move on to how you can prevent and treat them naturally. Pimples can be quite stubborn, but you'll be surprised how some simple natural remedies can help. Let's explore a few of these remedies that you can easily prepare at home. First off, we have honey. This sweet substance is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also for your skin. Honey has antibacterial properties that can help in reducing the size of a pimple. Simply applying a small amount on the affected area and leaving it on for about 15 to 20 minutes can do the trick. Next up is turmeric. This golden spice is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It can help reduce redness and inflammation associated with pimples. You can create a simple face mask by mixing a teaspoon of turmeric with a little bit of water to form a paste. Apply this to your pimples and leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing. Aloe vera is another star ingredient when it comes to natural pimple remedies. Known for its soothing and healing properties, aloe vera can help reduce inflammation and speed up the healing process. You can apply the gel directly from the plant to your pimples or use a store-bought aloe vera gel. Last but not least, we have tea tree oil. This essential oil is known for its antibacterial properties, which can help fight off pimple-causing bacteria. However, it's potent, so you need to dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba before applying. Just a drop or two mixed with your carrier oil should suffice. Apply the mixture to your pimples with a cotton swab and leave it on for a few hours or overnight. These are some effective natural remedies for pimples. But here's something important to remember. While these remedies can help, they are not magical cures. They'll need time and consistent application to truly make a difference. And of course, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist if your acne persists or worsens. Remember, consistency is key here. Now let's talk about those pesky blackheads and how to get rid of them naturally. Blackheads, those little black dots that pop up on your nose and face, are a common skin issue that can be quite stubborn. But don't worry. Nature has provided us with several remedies that can help in combating blackheads. Let's start with baking soda. This common kitchen item is a great exfoliator, helping to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. You can make a paste by mixing equal parts of baking soda and water. Apply it on the affected area, let it dry for about 10 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. Next up is oatmeal. Not just for breakfast anymore, oatmeal can also be used to treat blackheads. Its grainy texture makes it a great natural scrub, helping to remove blackheads and leave your skin smooth and clean. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of yogurt and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes before washing it off. Cinnamon, a spice known for its fragrant aroma, is another natural remedy for blackheads. It improves blood circulation and tightens the pores, thus reducing the appearance of blackheads. Mix 1 part cinnamon with 2 parts honey to form a paste. Apply this paste on the blackheads and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Last but not least, we have lemon. Its acidic nature helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, which can reduce the appearance of blackheads. Squeeze out the juice of a lemon, mix it with a bit of honey, and apply this mixture on the blackheads. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing it off. These natural solutions can help you get rid of blackheads. But remember, it's not an overnight process. Consistency is key, so keep at it and soon you'll have clear, blemish-free skin. Well, there you have it. Natural remedies to combat those stubborn pimples and blackheads. We've journeyed through understanding what these pesky skin issues are and how we can use Mother Nature's own resources to fight back. From the humble honey and turmeric for pimples to the powerful combination of egg whites and lemon for blackheads, it's clear that nature is well equipped to handle our skin woes. But let's not forget, consistency is key. These remedies aren't a one-and-done deal. Regular and proper skincare is crucial, and these natural methods can be an integral part of your routine. They're gentle, they're effective, and most importantly, they're kind to your skin. Remember, your skin is unique. What works for one person might not work for another. So always test these remedies on a small patch of skin first. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to clear skin.